Siswati. I'm a member of an elephant family who lives in a game reserve called Etosha. We are experiencing a terrible drought at the moment, and everything is dry and dusty. Even Mom is the same color as the dry branches. We are a very close and caring family and always walk in a group. My little brother Bongo walks in the center and is therefore protected by the grown-ups.
Because we can eat between 100 and 200 kilograms of food each day, we have to travel great distances to find enough. Unlike most other animals, we elephants don't stay in the same territory and roam around in search of food and water. Elephants are found all over Africa, but this is where our family lives. The Etosha Park is in the north of Namibia and is one of the great game reserves of Africa.
In the midday heat, I usually stand in Mom's shade and flap my ears like she does. This cools our bodies down.
Come on, Siswati, you have to eat something. I know the grass isn't very tasty, but it's all there is to eat right now. It's terribly dry at the moment, and we all hope it will rain soon.
Mom, I don't like eating dry grass. Can't we go somewhere else? Somewhere where the grass is green and lush? And where we'll find many wild fruits and seed pods on the trees.
Yes, Siswati, only when the rains come will we have enough fresh fruit on the trees. But for now, stop playing with your food.
Oh, right then. But I really don't like it here. It is too dry and dusty and this grass is tasteless. This tree won't even give me enough shade to cool my body down. Phew.
It gets extremely hot in the Etosha. And that is when the heat of the sun fools you and makes the horizon look like a big pool of water.
I can't understand how Tsanga can enjoy herself in all that dust down there.
You should start taking dust baths too, Siswati. It will help you to cool off and even help rid you of parasites.
Oof, I hate dust in my ears.
Siswati, once your ears are bigger like mine, all you have to do is give them a good shake and you will be rid of all the dust.
Yes, like my sister Tsanga over there. The dust never seems to bother her. She's always powdering herself.
Come along, children.
Come now, Tsanga, let's go. Mom's calling.
Our herd is mostly made up of adult cows and their calves. Because of my experience and age, I was chosen to lead this herd. I am called the matriarch. Elephant herds are always led by a female. When the males grow older, they sometimes leave the herd to wander off on their own. The long-awaited rainy season in Etosha is welcomed by all. For rain means water, and water means fresh green grass and new leaves on the trees. An elephant will go to great lengths to get water at least once a day. Normally, water holes in Etosha are few and far between, we have to cover great distances to reach them. Other elephant families often join us in our journey. Even the oldest single bulls come and join in the fun.
Oh, how wonderful. Just look at all the water. There's enough for us all to drink and even play in.
Yes, Siswati, but remember, first you drink, then you play. The rest of us do not want to drink muddy water.
Little Bongo still doesn't know what to do with his trunk. Hey, Bongo, the water is this way. Come now, this way.
Siswati, stop mocking your little brother. You're giving me a headache. Rather help Bongo to the water.
Bongo, this way, Bongo. Well done, Bongo. Now take another sip. See? There's no need to be embarrassed. We all had to learn how to use our trunks properly.
Now that you've had enough to drink, we can all take a bath.
Watch out, Bongo. Keep out of the bull's way. Sometimes they can be quite aggressive. Did you know that we can drink up to 19 liters of water per day?
Quite right, Siswati. Grown-ups drink even more. But now I think it's time for you children to take a bath. Siswati, be sure to take care of Bongo in the water.
Yes, Mom. Oh, I'd rather be playing in the water and get rid of all this dust. Oh, than to get in the big bull's way. Hey, Bongo, wasn't that fun? Tomorrow, I'll show you how to tumble.
Well done, Bongo.
Every day, Bongo measures himself against Mom to see if he's grown. I used to do the same when I was his age. Ah, now look at Sunga, still powdering herself.
Come along, children. It's time to eat. Tomorrow is another day.